Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Dear Hizb. I am very happy to see you here today. I hope you are doing well and enjoying your English learning journey. Thank you so much for giving your time to this video. Today I want to share something very useful with you. If you want to improve your English speaking, then this video is going to be very important for you, because in this video I am going to telling you something important about an application that you can try to improve your English speaking online. But before I get in the video, I would like to tell you that, as you all know, many English learners study for months or even for years. They learn grammar, they memorize many vocabulary words, and they watch lots of English videos. But when they meet someone and have a chance to speak English, they become quiet and they understand English, but they cannot speak with confidence. So if this has ever experienced by you, then you are not alone, because many people have the same problem. But the good news is that there is a simple way to improve your English speaking that I am going to discuss in today's video. Today I want to tell you about a platform or an application that is available on Play Store, that is called Episoden. It is actually an online application, or you may say an online place where people from different countries come together to practice speaking English. So you can join a video conversation and meet people who are also learning English right there. You do not have to be an expert. You do not need perfect grammar, because everyone joins episode to learn and practice and improve together. Whenever you go for joining a conversation, you can start with a smile and you can say hello, my name is, for example, my name is Hizb. Then you can tell people which country you are from. After that, you can ask simple questions like what is your name, where are you from, what do you do, or what are your hobbies. You do not need difficult words. Simple English is enough for a good conversation. Now I know you are maybe thinking you are afraid of making mistakes, so please do not let that fear stop you. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning, because every person who speaks English well today was once a beginner. They also made mistakes. The difference is that they continued speaking. So do not wait until your English becomes perfect. Instead, speak with the English you know today, and tomorrow your English will be even better. I also have a one piece of advice. Try to practice regularly, even 15 or 20 minutes of speaking every day. That can make a big difference. So do not think about speaking for many hours. Small daily practice is more powerful than one long practice once a week. And little by little, your confidence will grow, your vocabulary will increase, and your speaking English will become more natural. So if you have decided to try on episode, I would love to hear about your experience. Come back to this video and write a comment. Tell me who you met, which country they were from, and what you talked about. Your experience can also encourage other learners to start speaking English and improve their English. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Dear Hizb for more easy English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep speaking. I believe you can do it. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.